As of now, 2 inches nothing. We have to get 4, so there's nothing to celebrate about unless we get the number 4. But this is our third step. First was the elimination. Second one was the quarterfinals, and this is the third. This is the third step, and it's not over yet. We have to have 4 to finish this step.
Thank you, Coach.
Clyde, for Junmar, please.
Congrats, ha?
Thank you.
2 down, 1 to go. Okay?
No. 2 down, 2 to go.
2 down, 1 to go. Two to go. Okay, so, King San Miguel finally put on the finishing touches on Wednesday.
Best of 7. Best of 7 is not the best of 5.
That's what so, Yunnan Pahado showed once again his dominating presence in the team. So, King Pahado again play a mediocre role in the succeeding games of San Miguel on during to the finals.
Definitely, he's been playing really well. I'm very happy for him. He's been playing well. He's been sharing the ball well. He's been dominating the boards. He's been dominating the paint. I have nothing else to ask from this big boy here. He's doing everything to help his teammates and to help this San Miguel.
San Miguel couldn't get away in the first 2 quarters. Only in the third quarter, San Miguel outscored and out-rebounded Renoy Shine. So, and then on the fourth quarter, San Miguel sustained and maintained their excellent performance. Now, what can you say regarding the other players aside from Junman Pahado, especially Terence Romeo, Jerry Cruz, and Marcio Laster?
Everybody stepped up in the second half because as what I said, yung pinoint out ko kasi sa halftime is we lost by 9 dun sa boards. It was 20 SMB and 29 rain or shine. And I said this should not happen because we are a bigger team. So that's what happened. They just pushed themselves to the second half and the results were good.
Well, after the first half, what instructed? What did you, when did you tell your players, or when you reminded your players inside and out before the starts on the third quarter?
And we just have to step up our game and just play as a team and just help one another do on the boards.
That concludes our post-game press
Shut
conference.
down, please.
My first, shout out first to all my Club Scratch friends. Hello.